So what's up YouTube? I think everyone are doing good. Okay, let's jump into the video. So in the last video, I'll just clear the last video's content. Okay, in the last video, I showed you how do you use env command. Now I'm showing you how to use print env command. So print env command is basically what used to display the value of environment variable. So what you know how to create the environment variable using env, but you need to know how do you print the environment variable. So the syntax will look like this. So we are maybe so this will be the syntax to print what environment variable. So if I just what print env, then you can see all the variables, environment variables, same like env also, but it will print all the env. You can also use env to print all the variables, but print env is some kind of what did to it is that command is that this command is written only to focus on what to print the env variable commands. Okay, env is basically to create the environment variables, but print env is basically used to focus more on the environment variable to print the environment variable. Okay, so let's say that you need to print the environment variable print env. You can also use you can now you need to specify the what path. If you specify the path, it will basically sorry, if you specify the environment variable, then it will give the exact path. Or else if you specify the path bin slash bash, it will not give the variable, I guess. Yeah, you need to specify the what variable name, that will be shell, then it will give the exact path. Let's say you need to display variable names only with null bytes delimiter. Okay, so that you need to use it should be small letter print env, then a capital letter O, then you can use xarg, because there is many multiple outputs, then hyphen e and hyphen n1, then echo. So this will basically I guess hyphen o, I guess. Yeah, let me print hyphen o argument not found. Okay, let's print o. Okay, so that is o actually. I was printing it as what sorry, that is 0 actually. I was printing it as o. If you do 0 hyphen 0, not o, it is hyphen 0, this will basically print the variable name only with null byte delimiters. You got it? Okay, so the next thing will be that if you need to display the variables value only with the null byte delimiter, you can also use what this you can also use this print env and hyphen 0, and you need to use x args and hyphen 0 and hyphen n1 and hyphen I, then you need to do echo, then in the double quotes you need to specify values and colon and the flower bracket. This will you need to have a space in between this. So this will basically what print the what all the variables and their values in a given format. That will be values given a format. You can see it has some format. Okay, so every variables and every variable values will be printed in this particular bracket, flower bracket, inside this flower bracket, sorry, in this particular bracket, but it will be having some what word in front of it. Okay, this is how you can manipulate that using text. Let's say you need to display not set if the my variable environment is not set. You need to display all the environment variable if it is not set. How do you do that? So you need to use print env, then you need to specify u as I showed you before in the env command video. Then you need to specify the variable variable. Then you need to do double what pipe, then echo it, echo. Then you need to specify not not set. So this will basically print all the variable which is not set. So it did not print anything because there is no variable that is called my variable. Okay, I did not set any variable, so it is not printing anything. It is just echoing this what word. Okay, so if you don't know how to use print env, you can just go to the man page, and you can just check if there is a null, then you can print null. Okay, so you can just read the man page. There is a version, I guess. Yeah, you can see the version is 8.32, and these two people wrote the code for print env. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and bye.